Hey everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to transfer Solana from Trust Wallet to Binance. So let's just get going. First of all, head over to your Trust Wallet, and in here you can see we have multiple coins showing up. So you can search for your coin in here if you have Solana. If you do not have Solana in here, make sure that you already credited some. Now what we need to do is you're going to be selecting your Solana from Trust Wallet, and in Binance you're going to be clicking on deposit and copying the address. So click on add funds. Once you do that, you can see deposit crypto, and here we have Solana. So you are going to be simply selecting Solana and then copy this address. Once you do that, paste that on your Trust Wallet. We have different options in here. Once you simply add your wallet in here, and then you will be easily able to transfer Solana from Trust Wallet to Binance. This is more than easy, and I hope this is going to be helping you guys out, and if it does, consider subscribing to our channel. So see you guys in the next video.